In my high school yearbook, I wrote that my nickname was eSlice, and no one ever called me that. Let's talk about Slice.js. Say we have an array of books, but we only care about the third and the fourth book. We want to create a new array with just the books that we want in it. We can do this with Slice. Slice creates a new array based on the optional params. If no params are provided, Slice will return a copy of the original array. And the original array is not updated via Slice. This is the new array created. This is the original array. This is the call to the array method itself. And this is the space for the optional params, start and end index. The new array will be a slice of the original array, from the start index up until the end index, not including the end index. If a start index is specified, but an end index is not, all the items after the start index will be included in the new array. And if no params are specified, a copy of the original array will be created.
Let's dive into some code.
Here we have the array of all of our books. Let's create a new array called favorite books. We'll call the slice method and use 2 and 4 as the parameters. So this will grab the second index up until the fourth index. Let's console.log this and run using node, and we will see our desired array. Let's run through some other scenarios. We can actually get the same result by using the last piece of slice, negative values. You can use negative values to specify the index. Essentially what this means is if you have an array, say with a length of 5, -1 is equivalent to the fourth index spot. So let's change this 4 to a -1 and run using node, and we'll see that same desired result. Let's test out only having a start index of 2. We'll run this using node, and we'll see it'll be the second index along with the rest of the array. We'll change this to -2, which is equivalent to the third index spot. We'll run this using node, and we'll see that it's the third index spot along with the rest of the array. We'll do the same with -1, and we'll see it's the fourth index along with the rest of the array. We'll run with the start index of 3 and see the third index along with the rest of the array. And lastly, we'll run the slice with no params and see the original array is copied.